In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add OneTab to Chrome. If your browser gets cluttered with dozens of tabs and your computer starts to slow down, OneTab is a simple extension that helps you save memory and stay organized. Let's walk through adding it to Google Chrome and making sure it's easy to access. Start by opening Google Chrome. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store. The easiest way is to type Chrome Web Store into the address bar and open the official store. Once you're there, look for the search box at the top and type OneTab. In the results, find the OneTab extension. You'll recognize it by its clean, minimal icon and a high number of users. Click the result to open the extensions page. On the extension page, click the blue Add to Chrome button. Chrome will show a small confirmation pop-up so you know exactly what you're installing. Click Add Extension to confirm. The installation happens almost instantly. You should see a brief message letting you know it's been added, and from that point, OneTab is installed and ready. By default, Chrome doesn't always place new extension icons directly on the toolbar. Instead, it tucks them into the Extensions menu to keep things tidy. To make OneTab easy to reach, look to the top right of Chrome and click the puzzle piece icon labeled Extensions. A small list will open showing the extensions you've installed. Find OneTab in that list, then click the pin icon next to it. As soon as you pin it, the OneTab icon will appear to the right of the address bar. That's your quick access point going forward. You've now installed OneTab and pinned it to your toolbar, so it's always one click away. If your toolbar is crowded, the icons may shift or compress a bit as you resize the window. That's normal. The important part is that the pin remains on, which keeps OneTab visible whenever there's room on the toolbar. A couple of quick notes to keep things smooth. If you're on a managed device like a work or school computer, you might need permission before adding extensions. And if you don't immediately see the puzzle icon, try maximizing your browser window so the toolbar has more space to display it. That's all there is to it. You've added OneTab to Chrome and made it easy to find right beside your address bar. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, faster browsing experience.